Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thank you teachers for your queries. We're gonna start with like the queries that came to me. Actually, we have resolved it, and just quick things that I want to share, and then we will be going to go back to the stuff and the practically I wanted to show you. Okay, so now one query was that you are unable to open the PDF files and PPT files, right? So these two files are very much used by the teachers. Now I would request everyone to, if you are using Android, so for both the operating system, the one is the Android and the second one is the OPS, right? We are having some softwares. I have installed in 1A. I think 1A the installation is going on, and this is 1B. So in 1B, that software was one of the software was missing in Android, so I installed. So I will show you that what are those softwares, and with the help of that, we will be going to open these files. Now we are having PDF, right? So .pdf file, they generally you can open with the help of any of the browsers, right? We are having the Chrome. Other than Chrome, we are having like other browsers also we are having. So with the help of those browsers, you can open the PDF files, right? So PDF file is not a very big issue, right? Now coming to PPT files. Now a lot of teachers are struggling that how they will open the PPT files. Now in order to do that, we are having another software which is known as PowerPoint, and I'm talking about Android only. So PowerPoint is also available for Android. You can go to the Play Store and you can have it, right? So you can go to the Play Store, download the PowerPoint. It will ask you for the username and the password. So I will be going to share you. I have created an MSB account. So with the help of that account, you can access it. So your Android problem will be solved, right? Now coming to the next one, which is OPS. OPS, right? Now coming to OPS also, in order to install the PPT, in order to open the PDF or PPT files, we are having softwares. Again, the PDF could be opened using any of the browser, as you know that. So opening the PDF file is not a big deal, right? Now coming to PPT, this particular files, PowerPoint files, you must have the Office, right? Or if not the Office, then WP is also an option. So any of the software, either the Microsoft Office or WPS, they both will work. So in many of the computer, Narendra sir actually installed this Office software, and I'm also having that file in my this hard drive. If you want it, so I will be going to install it. So this will be easily resolved if we are having this one and this particular thing. Like PPT files can be run with the help of Android also and with the help of this OPS also. Now very important and very essential things I want to share, that two software must be there in all the systems, right? Two softwares. Now the first is Files by Google. Okay, Files by, I'm talking about Android right now. So Files by Google. So Files by Google is a software by the Google, and it must be there in your Android so that you can easily open any of the file. And for opening the PowerPoint files, you should have the PowerPoint app, okay? PowerPoint app, which is again, I already told that you can download from the Play Store. Okay, so these softwares are very important that you have to do. Installation, we will be going to support you if you are struggling with it. But this is how you can open your this PDF and PPT files in Android, as well as you can do in this OPS. Okay. Now one major problem I receive from like most of the teachers is that when you are using the screen, things were erasing, right? Things were erasing, or some kind of issues you are having. Now the reason was, I'm thankful to the one of the engineers from Noida who discussed these things in detail, that why it happened. It happened due to the sensors. These screens are built upon sensors, and it can sense your touch. For example, you are touching, it can sense it. Okay, I can navigate like this, I can go down, I can go up. So it is actually sensing it, now giving me eraser. I can change the panel. So it is sensing, and in the same time it is also sensing the pen, right? So if we disable the button of sensors, sensing the pen and sensing this fingers, then this problem will be resolved. Now I will show you quickly that how to do that. In this OPS board, this problem is not there. But if you are facing in OPS, then there is another solution. I will share you that. But in Android, we are having this problem a lot. So I am going to home button. I am going to whiteboard. This is the Android whiteboard. Right. So one setting is there. How to go? We will click on menu button, and then after menu we will go to more. And after more, we are having this distinguish between finger and stylus touch. Okay. If this is on in your system, you can close it. You have to turn it off. This one, distinguish between finger and stylus touch. If you will turn it off, so this problem of that things were erasing, it will never happen again. Okay, I just close that. Okay, now you can see that it is not. These problems are not erasing. Now I have the eraser here. I can erase it also. If I am using my finger, for example, let's say I am writing a hello. Okay, and again I am using the eraser. So it is whatever portion that I am erasing, only that portion is erased. Not the board is not going anywhere. Why it is not going anywhere? Because we touch this menu, we go to more, and then we have just turned off this particular button. Because of that, it was working, right? So now I think these two problems were the main problem that I received. Other than that, panels are getting slow, right? Sometimes you are having this issue that whatever you are doing, your panels are getting slow, right? Now, if your panel is getting slow, it might be due to the over electric power, but we are working on that electrical part, so it will be resolved soon. No issue about that, right? And these systems also need to be cooled down, right? So if you can just restart your system, or you can just shut down for like 2 minutes or so, and you can restart it, then also this problem can be tackled. It's not a very big problem. Okay. Now another thing that I received from teachers is casting. Okay. I have to check it out whether clear option is not working. Let me use the eraser only. Okay, it worked actually, but due to the slow of the system, it appeared after a few seconds. Okay, now casting I have to discuss. So many people were casting using Miracast. Okay, but the engineer whom I talked, he was saying that you can't use Miracast because these systems are not built on Miracast. Now, what to be done there? So there is another software which is known as Novo Connect. I hope I'm writing correct spelling. Novo Connect. Okay. Now there is an app. You can take that app from me, or you can also take from Play Store. Now you have to download that app, and then you can connect. With the help of Novo Connect, you can connect your phone with the help of this this device, right? So this connect problem will be going to handle that way. Now internet connectivity issue. Now clear is working fine. Internet connectivity issue, right? So it happen in most of the classes. Sometimes these LAN cables might be loose, or sometimes there is a problem from the internet service provider, our ISP, which is BSNL. But we are trying to get some better ISPs. But I don't know how much time it will take. But we are working on this particular part. Quick fix: if the internet is not working, please use your mobile devices, and then you can from that your own mobile you can connect the internet. Okay. Okay. Now one last thing I want to discuss about how to care about the system, how to care about them, and why Windows corrupt, right? And why Windows corrupt? Okay. Now I have shared one of the screen from class 1A that Windows is corrupted. Now it happened due to when we turn on or turn off the system with wrong steps. If you are not taking the right steps, so your Windows will be corrupted. A special thanks to Naren sir. Naren sir told us that how we can fix the windows and how we can install the windows. So he come up with a very great method, excellent and appreciable. Thank you so much for that, sir. It resolved like most of the problems. Now windows, how we can install it? We are having our pen drives and all these things. We are having the core files, so we will do for you. But it is very important that you please turn on and turn off this system very clearly, like not clearly actually, very carefully. Okay, now let me tell you how to do it. You will go to home, okay, and you have to just press and hold this button for a few seconds, and then you have to click on power off. When you will click on power off, so your this Android will be also off and your Windows will also off, right? But if you are directly clicking this button, or you are directly clicking this battery, if you are directly clicking the battery button, so the problem that will be going to happen is that your window will be corrupted, because so many processes coming to the concept of operating systems. What happen in operating systems? In operating system, there are so many processes are running in the background. Okay, running in the background. Now, when a process, any of the process, for example, like hundreds of processes, like core files are there, Windows file is there, Android files are there. If any process it started, right? It started, and it's not end. It's not end actually. It is this. Let's say this is end, and that's a start. And that process is interrupted in between somewhere here. Now what it will do, it will be going to disturb the other process. There's like a very good about operating system, which is by Galvin, so you can refer it. So the point is that it will be going to disturb other processes, and as a result of that, your Windows will be corrupted, or your Android though generally don't give that much of problems, but your Windows surely will be corrupted. Okay, so please handle with care. You have to just press and hold this button. You already know how to shut down your OPS. You will go here, you will click on AV, you will go to OPS. It is very simple, the way we do in our home also with our computers and laptop. One more important thing, that whenever we are turning on all these windows, it will take like 45 seconds. So don't press any of the buttons when your window is started. If your window is processing, it's getting started, and you are pressing all these buttons, the problem will happen is that it might corrupt it. Okay, so the engineer told me it's about like 45 seconds of time it will be going to take in order to start the Windows, right? So we have to just take care of that. We can go to menu now, and in the menu we are having exit. Before going to exit, I want to make a tutorial about everything. Like I want to do for the maths teacher also, like so many mathematical things we are having. Maths teacher already know about all these things, but in case any assistance required, then please reach out. And also covering so many things, so that I have to make a huge tutorial type of thing. So we can do in person or we can do online, and we will do on assessment basis, and it is mandatory to the section head that their teacher will be participating, and we are also coming up with the prizes. Those section teacher will score high, so the prizes will be given. Okay, so that quiz Masudina and I will be plan in near future, but this is very important for us now, that how we have to shut down the machines. I will go to menu, I will exit it, and now I will go to home button, this Windows button, I will go to power button, and I can shut down, right? It doesn't take lots of time, it's very quick. The machines are fast. Due to some electrical issues, they are lagging, but believe me, the machines are super fast. Right? Now here this OP is off. I can see there is no light glowing, the red color light is not glowing. I will go to home button, and then I will just press and hold as I told you for a few seconds, and this pop-up will appear, and I will press the power off. Yeah, now you can see that the machine is off. After that, we will turn off the battery, and we are good. Okay, so this the people who come from Vertiv, they told me that you should not turn off the main switch, because these machines require power for like whole time. So we have to turn off, after turning off this machine, we have to turn off this UPS, and after UPS, once we turn off the UPS, then we are good. This button we can remain on. So because they told us, the verti told us to remain it on. So that is all about it. After that, you are having cover also, like this one. So you can cover up, because because of this dust, as you can see right now, the cleaning is very important, and because of this dust, these machines are based on semiconductor and sensors. Because of moisture and because of dust, their life will be going to become less, and these type of problem will arise. So it is very important to clean them with some soft cloth, like we are having specs, we clean our specs also. So those type of clothes we can use in order to clean these type of machines, right? Dry clothes, okay. And then we have to also just see that how to put cover. We can cover up. It is very simple. Just we have to find the corners and we put like this, okay, and we will cover up. I got a gift. I got a pen from it, and this pen might be from a different class. Okay. So that was all about it. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a great day.